Hey guys, what is up? You're gonna see me today with this little thing in my ear often because the audio on my phone is horrible, and this is literally the only way that I can actually record what I'm doing and not look incredibly suspicious. So we're gonna head to work real quick and we're gonna show you guys what a 5-hour night at Domino's will bring you home as a delivery driver. Hey guys, so we just got our first order in. I literally clocked in and there was already a whole bunch of stuff ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we got 2 orders. We're gonna go take the first one. I'll tell you what I made from that one. We'll go get the second one. I'll tell you what I make from that one. All right guys, let's get moving right now. All right guys, so we are here now. We're just gonna go deliver this real quick and I'll come right back and tell you how much we made from this specific delivery. Guys, we landed $5 out of this one. All right, we got to get moving to the next one, and after that we're going to head back to the store. Second one is a stiff. It's what we call a stiff. They didn't tip at all. It's total of 0. All right, let's get back to the shop. Okay guys, we are back at Domino's. I'm going to go in there, wait for my next run, and we'll be right back with you as soon as I get back. Should I call it Domino's? The shop? The restaurant? I don't even know. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Guys, I love it when the turnaround is perfect. Like I literally walked in there, grabbed my next run, walk back out, keep going. Make money, make money, make money. When you're sitting there and you're doing nothing, you don't make anything. All right, guys, we got to get headed. Got about a 6-minute drive to this one. So we're going to head out. I'll see you when we get there. Hey guys, so this was my first cash tip. I'm actually not sure how much it was yet. $1, 2, 3, $4 on a $16 order. I would say that's not too bad at all. All right, guys, I got to get moving. We'll talk to you when we get back to Domino's. We're back now. It's 5:44. We've been on 3 deliveries since I clocked in. So we've only been working for 44 minutes. We've made $9 in tips and almost $5 per hour. So we're at about $14 an hour so far. We'll check back with you when I get back in. We're getting lucky today, guys. I got another double. It's 5:49. I literally walked in there and now I'm walking back out. Let's get back to this. I'm so pumped. Hey guys, so this one was awesome. This was $10. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. We've got $19 in tips in 1 hour. I am so stoked. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, so we just got our first tip of 6 o'clock. It is $5 is our first one. We're going to get back to the store. All right, guys, so we just got back from that run. It's about 6:18 right now. There's a lot of other drivers here, so that tells me that we're not quite as busy as we were. So we're just going to hang out and wait for the next delivery. We'll see you in a bit. Hey, guys, so it's 6:42. We're just getting back out on the road. I already know what the tip is on this one, and it's literally 2 seconds drive from where we're at. They could have walked here if they wanted to, in all reality. So it's $4.50. I will roll another clip right before I go back into Domino's, but I'm not going to film getting there because we already know how much the tip's going to be. Guys, so I don't think I actually let you guys know what time I got back. It was like 5 minutes after I collected from that guy. It's 7:02 right now, and we're about to go on a double real quick. We got an auto body shop, and we also have just another location as well. It's a residential home, so we'll go hit that one up. All right, guys, first stop, let's see what we get. All right, so that one was a little bit interesting. The guy said he had a soda on his order, but he ordered from the app, and there wasn't a soda on the order. The tip wasn't that great. It was like maybe $2. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, so this one was also kind of a dud. It was $1.90. It was a pre-tip. I didn't notice it until just now. Let's head back to the Domino's and we'll check in a time when we get there. Hey guys, so it is now 7:20. We're going to go back in and wait for the next order. Oh, guys, it's so hot. So hot. So we're going to an address that I go to all the time. These guys never tip. It's a little bit out of the way, so it's a bit of a drive for nothing. We'll go there. I'll tell you how much we make. They're paying in cash, and the order is $14.92, so I might get 8 cents of a tip. See what happens. All right, we'll see you there. Yep, I called it 8 cents. That's all I got from these people. You know, it is what it is sometimes. Whatever. Alright guys, so it's 7:47. We're going to go back into Domino's and hang out until the next delivery. Hey guys, so it's 7:50. It was a quick turnaround. We're going to take a priority order this time. We have 2 orders that came out at the same time. One of them tipped over $11. 100% going to that guy first. Then we'll hit up the next one and we'll head back. It was a pre-tip on a card. Alright, let's get going guys. Hey, so we just got done delivering the one for $11 and change. That was an awesome situation. These guys order all the time and they're super nice people. We're going to move on to the next one now. Hey guys, so that was a 0 tip. It was a stiff. I even had to knock on the door a couple times to get a hold of them, so it was kind of a giant waste of time. But it's all good. It was still a pretty good run between the two. We got a little over $11, so we're going to head back to the shop, or I keep calling it the shop. We're going to head back to Domino's, and we'll take it from there. Guys, so we just got back. It is 8:06 p.m. We've got about 2 hours left in the day, and we'll come back as soon as we're done, or as soon as we have another order to take. Guys, so we're headed back out. It is 8:31 right now, and we got a little bit of a drive, and we'll go see what we get. Alright guys, so the order was $26 and change. They paid with $30 and change, so it comes out to a $4 tip. Alright, we'll head back and see how much longer we got here. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's about 8:47. We just got back to Domino's, and we are going to go in, hang out, and wait for the next order. I've only got like an hour and 13 minutes left. So probably right around the 9:30 mark, we'll fuel up the car, head in, start cashing out. See you soon. Hey guys, so it's 8:55. Apparently I was out at 8:30. Whoops. So this turns out to be a video for 4 hours. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 4 hours. I got to go fuel up the car, and then we got to cash out. Alright guys, so I got $37.40 in credit card tips and $8.60 in cash tips for a total of 46 bucks. Alright guys, so I just got back from working over at Domino's. It is profusely hot. It feels like the later it gets right now, the hotter it seems to be getting. I just wanted to go over this real quick. I made $46 in tips in 4 hours. I got paid roughly $5 an hour for the work that I did, and that's $20 an hourly wage. Sorry guys, it's late at night, I'm tired. $20 plus $46 is $66, and you divide that by the 4 hours that I worked, and it gives you $16.50 an hour. That's pretty darn decent, I'd say. It's a good trade-off. Could be better. I've had nights where I made better, but tonight I made $16.50 per hour. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Bear Squad, thank you so much for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Remember to love life and live your dreams. Peace.